Welcome to Where's Wendy? So what do you get when you mix one hip replacement, first-time cruiser, and a spreadsheet full of Caribbean dreams? A Virgin Voyage adventure that equal parts chaos, cocktails, and coconuts. This wasn't just another cruise, it was my 6-week post-op celebration after hip replacement number 2. And I brought along my dear friend Darlene, who has never stepped foot on a cruise ship in her life. Spoiler alert, she came prepared with a spreadsheet for every island. Meanwhile, I came with 2 titanium hips, low endurance, and a dream of recovery by sea.
Talk.
And we're ready to go.
Okay.
Having fun on your vacation?
I'm having fun on my vacation.
Still working, are you?
Me working? No.
Our Airbnb, let's call it authentic. Slightly sketchy area, stairs, which are not my love language at 5.5 weeks post-op, and no signage. Located in a part of town that had us giving our Uber driver a nervous wave goodbye. But hey, it was cheap and close to a restaurant with coconut shrimp and suspicious cheese balls. So we did survive the night.
Cheers.
This is our survival drinks.
Hey. Welcome to Puerto Rico.
The next day, we're boarding the ship. We took a ferry across to the cruise port. Just 25 cents. Free for me because I'm over 70. Now, Google told us the ship was a 6-minute walk. We could see the ship across the water, so we figured how far could it be?
Welcome to Puerto Rico.
Yeah.
2, 3.
So we're in Puerto Rico, and we're looking for our boat. Never trust Google Maps. Google Maps said 8-minute walk. It's been 20 minutes. We're still walking. We have found our ship, but probably should take a Uber. So we were pounding water bottles like we were crossing the Sahara. I gave up and sat in someone's chair on the side of the road. Finally, we hailed an Uber. Turns out it was 2 more miles that I wasn't going to walk. When we finally got to the ship, we did an early drop-off of our luggage. They had tour buses waiting for us to take us to Old San Juan so we could explore until our 4 o'clock boarding time. We finally boarded the Valiant Lady and had dinner at Gumbae, Korean barbecue with drinking games. I lost every round, but let's be honest, I was only there for the next day, we went to Curacao. In Curacao, we snagged the last rental car at Samurai Rentals. First stop, Hato Caves. $10 for a guided tour. It's a short tour with 49 steps. My nemesis. It'll be here somewhere.
Yeah.
On the side. It's not on that side. It's not on that side. Oh well. Thank you.
That's amazing.
Push the button, it goes the other way. Here we go.
Damn hummingbird. It was beautiful. Not the variety.
Hams.
Yeah, but I was more afraid of that lizard that came out and scared me.
That's an iguana, not a lizard. Probably. In case it breaks off, they have a cage. Just in case. I just want to know what happened. Then we hit Porto Mari Beach. Crystal clear waters and great snorkeling. On day 3, it was a sea day. We explored the ship and signed up for a paint and sip class. I mostly focused on the sipping part. Again, I came for the alcohol. I trusted the process and somehow painted something I wasn't embarrassed to show. It was great. If you ever do it, that's great. Well, let's tell you how my friend did here.
Yeah, good. Yours. Thank you for coming.
Nice meeting you.
Happy Hobo.
She got carried away.
Have a great one.
Hi. How are you doing? Yes. I painted. I don't never paint. But you know, no matter how much alcohol you drink, they will keep refilling. Well worth it. I add. 2, 3.
Hi, how are you? We're just relaxing before we go to the wait for dinner this evening. And from what I hear, the clam chowder is excellent. I'm really looking forward to it.
Divine.
It's divine. Is that what she said? This divine?
Divine. How'd you enjoy your sipping painting?
Apparently I have OCD and I kept on repainting over my painting over and over again and I still didn't like it, so maybe it's going to hit the trash when I get home.
Dinner that night was at the wake, where the view of the ocean trailing behind us was just stunning. Fancy food, big views, zero regrets. Thank you for watching. Join us again for episode 2 of our cruise. And don't forget to keep wondering and wandering. Until next time.